Authentically. Authentically is an adverb that describes something that is genuine, true, or real. It is often used to emphasize the credibility or originality of something. When something is done authentically, it means it is being done in a way that is true to its nature or origin. Here are some examples to help illustrate the meaning of authentically. 1. She cooked an authentically Italian meal using traditional recipes passed down through generations. In this example, authentically emphasizes that the meal was prepared in a way that is true to the traditional Italian cooking style, using recipes that have been used for a long time. 2. The museum displays artifacts that are authentically from ancient Egypt. Here, authentically emphasizes that the displayed artifacts are genuine and actually from ancient Egypt, rather than being replicas or imitations. 3. The artist expressed herself authentically through her unique painting style. In this sentence, authentically highlights that the artist painted in a way that was true to her own artistic vision and style, without imitating or conforming to others. 4. He spoke authentically about his personal experiences with mental health. In this example, authentically emphasizes that the person spoke genuinely and honestly about their own experiences, without pretending or hiding any details. 5. The documentary authentically portrayed the struggles of the local community. Here, authentically emphasizes that the documentary accurately and truthfully depicted the challenges faced by the local community, without exaggeration or distortion. In all these examples, authentically is used to emphasize the genuine, true, or real nature of something, whether it is cooking, artifacts, artistic expression, personal experiences, or a documentary. It adds credibility and highlights the originality or truthfulness of the subject being described.